Three, two, one, start. Okay, go.
So, thank you for the time. Good evening, everyone. It's nice to meet all of you here. I already introduced myself, but I would like to say it again. So, my name is Maharani Retnadrita. I came from Indonesia, but you can call me Nana. I'm a master student in Graduate School of Life Science, Department Biomedical Science, and I belong to Professor Naoki's Hattori Laboratory in Clinical Pharmacology Laboratory. It's a great opportunity for me to meet all of you here and to share one of my favorite books. So the title of this book is Molecular Biology of the Cell. And actually this book not only a favorite for me, but it's very important book. And you can see it's heavy book. It's around 1,300 pages. And until now, I'm not finished to read and study about it. But I would like to share my experience with all of you here because this book is very, very important, not only for me, but I think for the scientific research in the world. Before I start to review about this book, I would like to tell you some short story why I choose this book today. So, you know, I came here since September, but before I came here, I sent message to my professor, Professor Naoki Hattori, and I asked him, Sensei, before I came to your laboratory, what kind of book I should read? What kind of book I should prepare? And at that time, he answered, it's better for you if you have enough time to study and read about this book, Molecular Biology of the Cell. And it's a very important book, not only for you, not only for us, but for all of scientists in the world. And this book, the author of this book are very famous people like Albert N. Johnson, Professor Albert N. Johnson, a famous professor from Harvard University, and Professor Louis N. Raff came from Oxford University, and Professor Robert N. Walter is our famous professor from Cambridge University. That's why my sensei recommend this book for me to read. But unfortunately, until now, I'm not finished it yet. So, and I think I will spend all of my life to read this book. So I will give a short review about this book. So maybe we already know that scientific research is very complicated, right? It's very complex, and even until now, scientists can calculate the distance from planet to the sun, and even they can predict when the sun will be shine. But they cannot answer why human beings only can live for 80 years old, but mouse only live for 2 years old. If I ask you in the simple question, do you know the reason why human being can live longer than mouse? Maybe you will answer in the common answer. Because it's mouse. It's kind of an animal. But we are human, right? So it's reasonable if human live longer than mouse. But in scientific research, we cannot understand. We cannot answer in the simple way. We cannot answer, oh, because it's human. Oh, it's because it's mouse. No, it's not acceptable in scientific research. That's why in this book, they try to discover. And you can see it's already 5th edition. It's because in scientific research, each edition, they try to discover new finding. They try to understand deeper. But in my experience, when I first read this book, I realized that many things I didn't understand, many things I didn't know, even though I already learned biology since I'm junior high school students. But many questions dance in my brain. And in simple way, I can say, the deeper we probe into the cell, the more we realize how many things we try to understand it. So, and it's not only happened to me, also in scientists. So when they discover the new greater, they will face the greater challenge in the future. So, thank you.
15 seconds left.
Oh, this is okay. So, that's why I think I will study, and until now I still discuss with my sensei page by page and try to understand it.
Thank you. Thank you, Name-san. I'm sure that there are students majoring biology, but they can still find something new from your book.
Yes, of
So
course.
do you have any questions?
Please. As you said, it's certainly a thick book,
Yes.
so it's even hard for for us to read through this thick book. So, do you have any particular part for non-biology major people to read? Your recommendation part.
This book, I already said that it's consists of many great invention of new finding in scientific area. So this book try to collect all of the paper or in scientific area. So if you want to like this part, we can say that manipulating proteins.
Could you show us the?
Okay, like this part, manipulating proteins DNA and RNA. I think it's very difficult for us, right, to understand what is that. But if you try to search in Google or in NCBI or PubMed, you input the keyword like DNA, they will appear many scientific paper. And this book try to make a conclusion all of the paper.
Okay, any other questions? Please don't be shy.
It looks like it has many beautiful pictures.
Yeah.
Yes, but still, I cannot understand. Yes, that's why it's many beautiful picture, and this picture is very complicated. Like, it's that.
So is this book initially written for undergraduate students?
Yes.
Okay.
Undergraduate, graduate, and professor must read this book.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very much for your busy schedule.